Hello guys, it's Math with John, and today it's already week 8. Imagine that. And I have problem 2, so let's do this. Okay, so let's go to my notes right here. Let's do this. Okay, so we have a cylindrical tank with a radius of 5 feet and a height of 20 feet. It is filled with a certain liquid chemical. A hole is punched in the bottom. At the bottom, the chemical drains out of the tank at the rate of 2 feet 3 per minute. At what rate is the height of the liquid in the tank changing? So, what do I notice here? We have a cylindrical tank. So, what is the formula for the cylindrical tank? It's V equals pi r squared h. Okay. We also had r. What is r? R is radius. So it's 5 feet. And what is h? I'm going to use h to represent the height of the liquid at time. What was it? Yeah, time t. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do this color. H, height, time t. Okay. Okay. What's the liquid time? H2O. Let's write that. Okay, and now we're gonna use this formula, like this volume equation formula, to differentiate and find what it's gonna be at time t. So let's do that. So we have dv over dt equals pi 2rh dr over dt plus r squared dh over dt, and then r equals 5 feet. Well, that's what we knew. We had, so this r is going to be 5 feet. So this is the formula right here. I'm just here trying to remember. So r is going to be 5 feet, and I want to plug it in. What was h? H is 20. This dv thing was our it was our 2 feet. It was 2 feet. It was a 2 feet cube. But the thing is, it's draining at that, so it's going to be a negative. So, I know that. And then dr over dt is 0. Because it doesn't change with time. Okay. So now let's go to the next page. Let's do it. So we're just plugging it in. It's going to be negative 2 equals pi. Just plugged it in. 2 times 5 times 20 times 0 plus 5 squared, which is 25, but let's just show how I'm doing it so you're not confused. And then dh over dt. Okay. Now I'm just simplifying. This is algebra, guys. Come on. This is just algebra and calculus. Then, well, we have a 0. So anything times 0 is going to be a 0. Plus Then remember I said it's gonna be 25. Boom, and then yep, times dH over dt. Come on, guys, easy. And now what we could do is we could just rewrite it as -2 equals 25, because you don't need that 0, pi dH over dt. Okay. Well, I guess a proper way to write it is it's going to be dH, because if we move it to the other side, over dt equals, it's going to be, if we move it, then it's going to be -2 over 25 pi, and then feet per minute. So guys, this is Math with John, and this is going to be the final answer that we got. Up. So because it was a cylinder, like you guys know what a cylinder is, right? It's something like that. You could see, and we were able to detect it. We found the radius. Well, we were given the radius, and through the radius we plugged it into the volume for the cylinder formula, and we were able to find it. So guys, until the next one.